Know what time it is, man? Steering. Well, it was gonna be LED steering wheel review, but I'm fucking tired and I don't feel like talking that much and showing all that off. So, cutting up video it is. You know what I'm saying? Cutting up video it is. So we just gonna basically just rip this bitch, show off the lights and shit. You know what I'm saying? Keep it simple. I'm trying to make sure y'all got a good view. Looks good enough. Why the fuck does it feel dark in here? I don't know. Oh. That bitch spin like a motherfucker. I ain't lying, I didn't even expect it to spin that much. Cause normally the traction be holding this bitch back like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You know I got too much control though. But yeah, I go to old high school. I want low key. I wanna like spin over there, like on some drifting shit, but it'd be a lot of cops over there and shit though. Oh, you know what? I wanted to go over there. It's too dark. Damn, it's too dark. Yeah, I can't see shit over there. Where should I go? I say I want a Moten, but I ain't gonna get one. Damn. Oh my god, that damn shit was brutal. What the fuck is this guy doing? Damn, dude. Okay. Yeah, let me go back this way. Because let me figure out what I want to do. Let me roll down my windows because it is dark, boy. I got dark tint. You know what I'm saying? I got the darkest you can go, really, before around here. I'm gonna get darker though, but yeah. Shit dark as hell, but let me connect that shit. I wanted to look at this one road that I ain't seen. This it's like I always seen these like nice cars parked up over there, but I ain't never like never went down there, and it's right by like, you know what I'm saying, where I be at. So I kind of want to see what's up with it. You know what I'm saying? And it's like a nice straight road and shit. Never been in this cut because the school right here. I gotta use my high beam. Yo, my high beam's on shit. Yeah, bro, I need my shits upgraded. My high beam's on so shit. But yeah, it always be something. Is that connected to the school? Oh, it is. Okay, let me go down this road first, see what this is. Cause I ain't never been on this shit. Let me stop where it be a fat ass curve or some shit. Oh, it's a truck right here. What the fuck? It's a truck. Is it a truck stop? Oh shit. Road ends 500 feet, okay. Okay, so this is a job site, okay. Facts, it's a job site. Yeah, they got that. And I ain't never been right here. That's a nice view of the, I don't know what the fuck that is right there. That big ass building. I'm trying to think what the fuck that is. I don't know. Huh. What that is. Get about that bitch though. Burnt out in that bitch. Like I said, I really don't want to be driving right now, dude, just because I'm so tired. But like I said, I gotta be consistent, bro. I gotta keep making these videos and shit. But I am gonna start pushing this bitch a little more. You know what I'm saying? Cause I, like in the videos, I've been kind of like cruising, pushing type shit. But some of these videos are gonna be just straight ripping that shit though. Damn, it's hella traffic right there. Where was that Infiniti? Where'd that Infiniti go? Oh, he right there. He went the other way. Unfortunate. Hopefully I do not get lit up tonight, dog. I ain't gonna be out for long at all, though. You feel me? Yeah, hopefully I don't get lit the fuck up, man. You dig? I'm trying to stay safe tonight, man. On some chill shit, dog. Every time I pull, I gotta slow down. I used to ain't give a fuck. I used to just like speed and keep going faster, but boy, them tickets add up, boy. Cause you can't run every time, bruh. Sometimes your ass just caught. Straight up, like up and down, you caught. So it just be like that sometimes, bro. I'm thinking, should I go? It's so unhealthy, bro. I'm thinking of going to Chili's for a chocolate molten. Now look, I'm gonna explain this to y'all, bro. Look, I only used to go on my birthday license, like a special occasion type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like only, what is it called though? But yeah, only like on my birthday or, you know what I'm saying, on a celebration, but really once a year. But now that niggas getting money and shit, niggas got their own car and shit, niggas can just go whatever they want. So I used to, when I was getting money, I had a car and shit, I wasn't going the first couple years, but nowadays I've been like pulling up and buying that shit. Could be so good, but it's so unhealthy, I know. But then again, I'm a healthy nigga though, bro. But like that shit ain't good. That shit ain't good, bro. But we just going that direction. We just going that direction. We got this nigga on the bike with it. That nigga on the moped with it. Let's see if he trying to line it up. Might gotta get in front of his ass. I wanna do a pull right here, boy, with the cops be alright. Nah, we gonna wait till we're on the way back. Fuck it. Put that nigga in. Look like some fast shit. What that nigga trying to do though? That's probably the boys right there. Oh, hey, look at this. He better chill, nigga. That's a Charger right there, boy. He testing the water. That fuck around be the boys on truck. Oh, what that is? I be just thinking it's the boys automatic. I be thinking they got the sirens on the back. I gotta see where Chili's at, cause I really don't even remember like that. He going fast. Oh yeah, we still gotta, yeah. Let me chill, bro. Cause that might be the boys. If it is, I'm done. What's the one? I'm going 50. That boy trying to go fast. If that ain't the boys, I'll fuck with them. You feel me? Oh yeah. He getting in front of me. Let me see through his shit. Oh no, he from Georgia. Oh, that ain't the fucking boys. Oh, we good. It ain't the boys. He gonna get in front of me and go slow though. Well, I was not speeding. Bro, that kid's scary ass. How weak as hell. He's scary as hell. Oh, that ain't how it work, gang. That nigga stopped, car came in fast. That's smart though. Cause some people don't give a fuck. Gonna keep going. Gonna keep going, but no, I ain't finna do all that. Let me... Alright guys, I ended up being fat. I got fucking motoring. So just pray for my health, dog. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm pretty sure I had one like a couple weeks ago too, so you know what I'm saying? Just pray for me. I just can't control myself. My parents always said I was gonna have a sweets problem, man. Now I ain't like my shit ain't that bad though. I really, this is the only shit I been eating that's sweet, really. I can't remember the last time I ate that was sweet other than this shit. Everything else is like chicken and shit. And like breakfast shit. I just whipped up like some breakfast on some like what's it called? Eggs and bacon today, like straight whipped it up from scratch. Warmed the bacon up in the microwave. Then boom, I made the eggs on the stove and shit. I normally don't be on that though. So like it was just like some different shit. What time is 7 o'clock? Why the fuck is so much traffic, bro? It's not even 5 o'clock, like. I don't know what's up with this shit. Damn, who lights is flickering like that? Hopefully that ain't mine. I don't know who lights flickering like that. I know y'all seen that shit. Or I don't know if the GoPro picked that up. That shit was lights like flashing though. Somebody bowl was fucked up or some shit. I got the Brimbos, bro. Why is you braking on me? Nigga, cause there's a car in front of me. Okay. Alright, bro. I'm gonna get through this shit, dog. Fuck that. Fuck that. Just cruise this whole dang video now. It's gonna be open in a second though. My motor's sliding around and shit. So you might as well get over, bro. I'm about to hit the back roads with it, just so no cops fuck with me. Yeah. Man, I can't see. I need better high beams, bro. I really can't see nothing. Even with the high beams, bro, and the map. Oh, let me click on my map. Bro, a deer would murder me right now. Bro, I literally, bro, I know y'all barely can see shit, cause I barely can see shit. And this is, yeah, I gotta get new bulbs like ASAP. Oh yeah, there goes son. I can't see the fucking street, bro, so I ain't know how hard I had to brake, but I know I'm gonna brake enough. I'm in the fucking boonies right now. need some new rotors too. My shit be vibrating like a motherfucker. Y'all see that shit? I mean, I need some rotors. Some brakes. But yeah, I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, turn up a little bit for y'all. I ain't want to leave y'all too dry. But I'm at headquarters, so hope y'all enjoyed the video, dog. More shit coming real soon. I'm consistent, you did. Fuck with me though, subscribe. And more videos coming. I fuck with y'all. Did love.